Hi guys, in this video I will show with you how you can check Amazon gift card balance without redeeming. Guys, watch this video to the end and systematic procedure to get about this via app. Tap the Amazon app on your device, enter your account using card in credentials, your account homepage, and tap the profile icon, the second left of the navigation bar, selection account result page, and scroll the next payment section. Then tap management gift card balance. Under this section, gift card balance will be displayed as the first detail on the page online, and go to Amazon browser, sign into your account, the link in the and however over the account list profile name, select accounts from drop down menu and select the gift card under your account page and gift card balance among other details displayed following page. That checking Amazon gift card balance without redeeming, guys, is that simple. And thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video, guys, for more content, and thanks for watching.